Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Zabbix monitoring solution on Debian 12. To ensure you install the latest versions, update your package list first. Then, install the PostgreSQL database server. After that, verify that PostgreSQL is installed and running. If everything is correct, PostgreSQL should be in a running state. After installing PostgreSQL, you need to create a user and a database for Zabbix. Run the following command to create a user named Zabbix. You will be prompted to enter and confirm a password for this user. Next, create a database named Zabbix with the user Zabbix as the owner. To install Zabbix, you first need to add the official Zabbix repository to your system. Now, download the Zabbix repository package. This command fetches the latest Zabbix 7.2 repository package. Next, add the Zabbix repository. This installs the repository onto your system. Then, update the repository and install Zabbix along with the required dependencies. After installing Zabbix, you must import the database schema and configure connection settings. This command extracts and imports the necessary SQL schema into the Zabbix database. Next, configure the Zabbix database connection. Edit the Zabbix configuration file. Update the following values with your PostgreSQL credentials. After that, save and close the file. Zabbix uses Nginx as its web server. You need to adjust its configuration. Now, edit the Nginx configuration file. Next, modify the following lines. Save and close the file. Then, verify the Nginx configuration. If the syntax is correct, you'll see the following output. After completing the setup, restart all necessary services to apply the changes. Now, enable Zabbix, Nginx, and PHP-FPM services. Next, restart the services. Then, check if all services are running. You can see that each service should be running without errors. Now, access Zabbix in your browser. Follow the installation wizard. Select PostgreSQL as the database. Enter your database credentials. Configure the time zone and server name. Next, log into the Zabbix dashboard. You have successfully installed Zabbix on Debian 12 using PostgreSQL, Nginx, and PHP-FPM. Now, you can add monitoring agents, configure alerts, and optimize your IT infrastructure.